Now, more than before, people are on the move, and their children move with them. That means that more and more schools welcome children with a different background and different languages. As a teacher, it is our job to provide great education for each child. But with all those different languages, that's not always easy. I'm Afke and I'm a primary school teacher in the Netherlands. And in my classroom I have many students who speak different languages. And I want to find out how I can include them in the best possible way. In this course we will visit different schools and talk to colleagues and experts all over Europe. We will help you to become a language-friendly teacher. Will you join me? This course consists of 4 modules. Being a language-friendly teacher all starts with a certain mindset. During the first module, we dive into the question why it is important to pay attention to the different languages of your students. My Croatian colleagues will explain how language is part of our identity. We'll find out that there is a real effect, not only on your students' well-being, but also on the learning. In the second module, I learned from colleagues from the Netherlands how to work with different languages in the classroom. Even I, as a teacher, cannot speak or understand all languages. I get some practical tips that I can apply directly in my teaching. We'll talk about why it's important to involve the whole school. Not only communication with children is important, also with parents. Having a good relationship with parents really helps the educational success of our students. But when the parents have a very different cultural background, speak another language and maybe didn't go to school themselves, this can be pretty challenging for a teacher. This is the topic of the third module, where colleagues in Italy have come up with many different ways to include and support parents with a migrant background. Finally, during the COVID pandemic, I became familiar with digital and distance learning. But I can still use more insights in how I can use various digital strategies to work with multilingual students and parents. In the final module, colleagues in Estonia will explain more about digital learning. 4 modules, 4 building blocks to help you to become a language-friendly teacher. I hope you will join me on this ride.